Okay, I'm here. I forgot to shut the door. Hello, Zach. It is uh, Monday, February 7th, 2012, 11:01. That's very interesting. Earlier, I was looking over the current CS4 homework, which involves image processing with MATLAB, which is slightly exciting, and which is leading into their first project, which involves facial detection with MATLAB, which is slightly exciting. And then I realized it was 11 and I needed to do this video. Other than that, I was kind of busy today with a class and then a class and then an hour break for lunch and then a class and then a class and then an hour break for doing homework and then a lab in which me and my partner built a parser for something based on a tokenizer that was already built, and then holding a CS4 lab in which they did stuff for 2 hours, and then it was 8 o'clock, and then I ate food, and then it was 9 o'clock, and then I was here for a couple hours, and then I was doing this video, and then I shut the door, and then I came over here, and then okay, I'll stop. Yeah, I don't have much to say, honestly. I've just been doing a bunch of stuff, and yeah, so I think I'll just make this video short and end it around here because I'm just not going to be interesting anymore. I'll see you on Wednesday.